Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Helmi. I am college student in the State Polytechnic of Banjarmasin, majoring in informatic engineering. This guide show you how to make Vexel design in Photoshop. What is Vexel art? Vexel itself is a mixture of two words, vector and pixel. Vector art is images that use polygon to create images on computer graphic for modern graphic designs. Vexel is not only used as a fun art to make paper illustration, but Vexel can also be applied to buildings, vehicles, and pets. First of all, open the program, and we are going to create a new document. For that, one of the width or height is 2000 pixels and resolution is 300. I will now drag photo to work table. So in this part, I am using the pen tool to trace the veil, blouse and face without the details. I am giving a shadow using a darker color side and add a little bit of detail. Now, in this part, I am detailing the face. I have made a color palette from darker to lighter shade. So in this way, I am just notice face that I have and I am saying the colors that I can see on its face. Then notice the darkest one, give it the second side. Then notice the darkest one, give it the third shade. And then notice the brightness one, give it the last shade. So in this way you can create the balance of lighting and shadow on the face. In this part I am tracing the eyebrows using pen tool, but I am giving it curve to give a better look. Now I am making the eyes. In the eye, the first thing I am making is its outer part, which includes its eyelashes to give a better look and shape. For the eye lens, I am using blend here. Go into more details of eye. I do is where the left joint. And then I'm gonna trace bottom lip and the top lip. Next, in this part, I am working on the details of the blues. When you finish that, then click Save As. It's at the menu file. Choose the format. Finally, your edit files will be saved on your computer.